be testing out this Eva NYC Chameleon Temporary Color Spray. It's supposed to be pink, and like it says, it's a temporary color. I haven't done anything to my hair since grade 4. I had highlights. Ever since that, my hair grew out. I've cut it so many times, so there's nothing left in my hair, but somehow my hair ends up looking reddish. But I don't know if you can see right now, but sometimes it looks more reddish. If I show you like this, that is so different than my roots. It's not dyed or anything, it's just, this is how my hair is. It's natural hair color. This little guy says here it has cannabis plus argan oil and pink pigments. Vibrant color, brushable finish for all hair shades. So I want to see if it is going to turn pink. There were other shades, but I just wanted to try it. I bought this a while ago. So protect clothing and skin during application to avoid spray transfer. Shampoo hair to remove color. I don't know about my arms. This is to protect skin. Alright guys, so I don't have a long sleeve that is old, so we're just gonna test it out on my hair. And I'll be putting a towel on my thighs just to avoid, and I'll try not to spray on the back of my... I'm gonna try to do ombre. I don't know how to do this to show you guys. I mean, I can always do this. I did not plan this well. My hair is super long, so obviously I'm gonna have to stand up and just show you guys this way. I'm just gonna cover my yogurt pants.
Hello. We like your pants. They're jolly.
They're yoga pants, like yours.
These are my yogurt pants.
No, yoga pants.
I love yogurt pants.
Shake well and hold 6 to 8 inches away from dry hair. Let's begin. Whoa guys, I can see the color. So I'm just kind of brushing it through. It smells really good. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna hold it up here. Doesn't matter if my shirt gets dirty. I just want to hold it far away from my skin. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't expect it to actually turn pink. I sprayed it on my face, on my mouth. I honestly don't know how many cans you'd need for this, but it's looking like highlights at the bottom of my hair. This is fun. So what I'm doing is I'm just brushing it through as well. I almost did it on my face again. So I did it a little bit higher. So it feels like I'm running out. I'm just gonna do the other side real quick. Guys, I don't even know if I'm holding it 6 to 8 inches. I'm just spraying at this point. Well, feels like we're running out. I feel like we need it more for the ombre style. Maybe it'd be fine if you're gonna do your hair in like hair buns. But there you go. Wow. I think this side is more pink than this other side. I spent too much on one side. This is what my hair looks like at the end. I mean, it's not a bad look. It's cool. If you touch it right now, it dyes up your hands. It doesn't say how long you're supposed to wait for this to dry. I'm gonna go try and wash my hands and see if it comes off. My hands are clean, just with hand soap. I'm touching it again and it's still dyeing my hands. I don't know how long you're supposed to wait for this. So my table got a lot of pink spray, but it becomes like powder and it just comes off. So I checked online and it doesn't say how long you're supposed to wait for it to dry. I mean, it is brushable, but your brush is gonna stain as well. You just have to wash it off with normal shampoo and then it'll come off. That would probably be my downfall of this, is probably how long it takes to dry, or if it even dries at all. So in this case, I would probably just use it either on my roots or like space buns, or even just a braid. It comes off from your skin. I'm using an old shirt. I mean, I'm not risking it, but I'm pretty sure it will come off. So just keep that in mind, that it will stain your clothes. And the texture, it feels like dry shampoo. This was only $10 at Marshals. They had the purple one and the blue one. These would be amazing, guys, for Coachella and like your braids up here. Oh my god, I can already see it. It's still not dry. I don't know if it ever dries. I would recommend just to use it up here. I'm gonna go and wait to see if it dries out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna hit the showers and show you guys my hair after I showered. As you guys can see, the pink color was washed out with the shampoo and water. It was very easy to wash off. I will say that I did need it more than that one can to make like the ombre effect, but either way I don't want to do that because it didn't stop staining my clothes. Alright guys, so let me know your thoughts on this product. Would you try it? Don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!